Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create the super design on your Canva. I'm just going to show it in this tutorial, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to create this design on your Canva, I'm just going to show in this tutorial how to create this pattern of design on your Canva. You can just use it for your background. You can just set it on your shop like that, any website, image setting website like that. So I just open a new page here. Now just go inside the elements first and just click on the shapes and click on see all option. Just swipe down and you can find this exact shape here. So you have the two different shapes. You can just use this shape here. So just close this. That's it. You just add a shape here. So just place the shape anywhere on the screen and just resize it and just make a duplicate and just arrange it like this with a minimal gap if you just need it, and just arrange this same process. But if you just click on this, it duplicate, it will have a distance of size. So just make sure the size and alignment has same spacing. Then click on this, just change the color. For an example here, you can just change the color to a different gradient colors, so it will look differently like this. And just select all and click on the duplicate option. So just place the duplicate here and just make a resize and just keep it like this. You can also change the color if you just need it, so it will look so differently, and it will give an awesome look. So I'm just going to have a different colors here. Then just select all the elements, click on the duplicate option, just come here and just keep it on the like this, and then duplicate this and just place on the side. Then just select all the thing and make a duplicate and just swipe down and just duplicate again, and it automatically duplicate like this. So this is how I just created this design. So you can just have the preview in the full screen. So this is how I just created these two designs, which really look awesome. You can just create this design like a solid color or like a grading color, or you can just use it as background. You can just use it for your thumbnail, whatever you just needed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.